If you're looking for a healthy, delicious dessert with no added sugar, no flour, or no cooking required, you might want to try this delicious raspberry chocolate cream cheese dessert. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Today I'm going to make a delicious raspberry chocolate dessert. So let's start by using 2 8-ounce tubs of cream cheese. You can use 1 tub or less if you're only doing 1 serving. We're adding the next tub of cream cheese to the bowl. Next, we're going to open 1 can of coconut cream. Add the coconut cream to the bowl with the cream cheese. I had placed the coconut cream in the fridge the day before so that the solid and the liquid separates. I am using only the cream, not the liquid. Add 1 packet of stevia, or you can use honey, or you can use agave nectar, or 1 medjool date, or no sweetener at all. Use a handheld mixer to mix evenly. Now place the coconut cream cheese mixture into one of these decorative cake bags. I am making a swirl design in the container, but you can just scoop the mixture in to the container, the serving container, and eliminate this process instead. Now put some coconut cream cheese in the second container. Now it's time to add some delicious raspberries. We're gonna use a fork and mash the raspberries into tiny bits. Add as much raspberries as you like to the first container. Now add some raspberries to the second serving container. You could also use strawberries if you prefer. You can add some nutritional yeast if you prefer. It adds an extra cheesy light flavor. Nutritional yeast is very healthy. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it has lots of the B vitamins, and this is especially important for our vegetarian and vegan diet. Yummy! Now it's time to add some delicious raspberry chocolate. Add some hot water to a bowl to melt the chocolate. Now sprinkle the melted chocolate over the dessert. Now add as much chocolate as you like. This chocolate is so yummy. It has the raspberry bits in it. So crunchy. Now let's add some chocolate to our second dessert. Add an extra chocolate square on top. So yummy and delicious. I am sharing. And for more healthy recipes like these, you can check out my book and my natural and holistic health course at shirleenwees.com. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.